Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Python on Mac operating system. So let's get started and see how we're gonna do it. First, go for the browser, any operating browser which you are using. I'll use Safari. Click on it and search for download Python. Download, download, not the PyCharm, Python. Download Python. Click on it, and here you can see the official website where you can download it. The one which has .org is the official site, and it is very easy to access and free. So click on that, and here is the home page of Python, and this is the latest version, so you can just click on it and download it. If not, then you can also see all the previous software which are released till now for other operating system like Windows, MacBook and others. So, and this one is the latest one. I'm using Mac, so these are all the previous software which was actually released. If your latest laptop or operating system is not supporting, then you can like download the previous one, which will be can be accessed in your operating system. So the latest one is not supported in mine, so I'm gonna download the previous one. Click on it, and you can see the downloading has been started. It may take some time, so wait for a while. Double click on that and continue. You can also read that if you want to. If not, then click on agree or continue. So here I have to type my password. It may take some time, so wait a little. So here the Python has been downloaded. You can easily like go from there, uh, close that one, move to trash because it is not required now. Go for the terminal, search terminal over here, and you can see, you can confirm that both of the Python and pips are downloaded there or not. Type python 3 space hyphen hyphen version and enter. You can see the latest version which is downloaded in your operating system, and also you can check for the pip 3 space hyphen hyphen version. So now both of the software are downloaded in your system, and you can start coding. I'll open this one, and you can code your first program over here. I'll type something. Oh, okay, sorry. I was supposed to type hello, but okay. So congratulations, here's your first code. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching, guys.